Hi, Dave Taylor here again, and this time I'm looking at wireless Bluetooth keyboards. So this is the Apple wireless Bluetooth keyboard. It's a mainstay, it's a really nice design, lots of people have these, and uses two AA batteries that you slip into the side here, and they run a couple of months. And you can see it's a nice keyboard layout, and they've tucked the arrow keys in here, but it's still a fairly limited functionality. So there are third-party companies that are offering more interesting designs. And one of the ones I bumped into at the Consumer Electronics Show this year was Matias. And this is their wireless aluminum keyboard. Now, the first thing that you see that's quite obvious is it's bigger because they have a numeric keypad, cue the hallelujah music. It has the cursor arrows are actually in their own section. It's really nice, but there's two things that make this super cool. One of which is on the top here, there are 4 Bluetooth buttons because this keyboard can simultaneously pair to 4 different devices. Now, if you use one of these wireless keyboards, you know what a pain in the butt it is to be able to actually unpair it from one and pair it to another because you've been using it with your iPad or something, and suddenly you need to use it with your Macintosh or something. So this makes that super easy. The other thing that's really cool is it uses a rechargeable battery. So instead of having to put in AA's and chuck them or recycle, recharge those or anything, this is a built-in unit. And once you charge it, which you just get off the micro USB, once it's fully charged, it lasts a year without another charge, which is super nice. Comes in silver, gold, space gray, and rose gold, and the rose gold's particularly pretty. And let's see, what else can I tell you about it? Well, shall I show you how it works? It is really like pretty much any other keyboard, and now you know my secret code on my iPad if you were paying attention. But I'll just drop down here, maybe drop down here, and I can type in. And to be completely honest, I mean, you can see it was showing up. To be completely honest, it doesn't have exactly the same feel as the Apple keyboard, but it's awfully close. And the additional features, the additional keys, the 1 year of being charged without having to worry about recharging it, all of that really makes it nice. And let's see, it works with Macintosh, it works with Windows, it works with iPhones, iPads, Android devices, Android tablets, Windows tablets. Basically any device that actually works with Bluetooth and can handle a keyboard is going to be able to handle this, which is really nice. Even better, they have US, UK, German, French, and Japanese keyboard layouts. So if you're not someone who wants to use the basic US keyboard, you got a lot of options here. How much would you pay for this cool keyboard? This big, nice keyboard with all these beautiful keys. Turns out they're 99 bucks. So it's actually price competitive with the Apple keyboard, and it gives you a whole lot more functionality. So this is Dave Taylor. I'm telling you to check out the Matias wireless aluminum keyboard. You can learn more at matias.ca. Careful, matias.com is not them. So matias.ca. And this is a really nice solution for a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. All right, catch you in my next video.